How to turn off call recording on iPhone. If you've been trying to figure out how to turn off call recording on your iPhone, here's the truth. Apple doesn't actually allow native call recording on iOS because of strict privacy and wiretapping laws. So if you go to settings, apps, phone, and see a call recording option, that's not a standard iPhone feature. It's usually a carrier specific setting that only shows up in certain regions where carriers enable automatic recording. It can be misleading since most people think it's an Apple feature, but it's really not. To turn it off, just head into the phone app settings and toggle off call recording if your carrier supports it. If you don't see that option at all, it simply means it's not available in your country or your network. In short, Apple doesn't natively record calls. And if you see that option, it's carrier controlled and easily switched off.